Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to hide notifications details on lock screen in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. When you lock your screen and notifications details will be showing on lock screen itself. See, yes. YouTube has received notifications and some short brief notes are given like that from which YouTube channel you have received that. Okay, so some details are showing for the lock screen. Okay, so if you would like to disable this, if you would like to hide notification details, only if you would like to see YouTube has received notifications like that, yes, you can just disable it. So what you got to do, just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to notifications and status bar and go to lock screen, and here just click on show notifications details on lock screen. It is already by default selected to always, so that always notification details will be showing. So which notifications for which app, that is seen. If you would like to choose after unlock or never, you will not get any notification details on lock screen. See, I got selected after unlock and I lock my screen now and see the changes. Only new notification like that it is showing. Notification details are not showing, that brief short notes are not showing. Okay, so you have received 3 notifications from YouTube first, then one Chrome notification, then another YouTube notifications. The only new notification like that it is showing. From where that's like from which YouTube channel it has received, like that it's not giving the details. Okay, also you can choose never, so that in never also you will be seeing like new notifications like that. Okay, so in this way you can easily disable or hide notifications details on lock screen for better privacy. Just yes, you can do just choose these two. Okay, after unlock or never. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.